for Monday, March 10th. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat, brought to you by Profile PR and Strategies. And get ready for yet more fallout stemming from Donald Trump's trade war with us. Mounting speculation that come Wednesday, the Bank of Canada will be announcing a further interest rate cut, reducing its key lending rate by 1/4 of a point to 2.75% in the effort to keep the economic wheels churning. Those in the know also anticipating more downward pressure on the Canadian dollar when that happens. Wednesday as well expected to bring the next shot in Trump's tariff campaign with 25% levies on Canada's aluminum and steel imports, even though it's a pretty safe bet that all of that will be passed on to American consumers, as U.S. demand is currently about 6 times what they produce on their own. With new and highly impacting information each and every weekday, this is Canada's Business Beat on Twitter, Blue Sky, and wherever you get your favorite podcasts, sponsored by Profile PR and Strategies, empowering business to tell their stories with expert media training, profile building, crisis management, and more at profilepr.ca. New details here regarding the Hudson's Bay shocker from last Friday that the department store giant is now seeking bankruptcy protection while attempting to restructure. The company now indicating that about half of its current 80 stores will likely have to shut down, the Bay just reporting a full-year loss of nearly $330 million. Back to the Can-Am trade war, a reminder that this is the day that Ontario hits New York, Michigan, and Minnesota with a 25% surcharge on power exports. Big news and a big question mark from Canada's West Coast, where Toys R Us has just confirmed plans to shut down its longtime Vancouver store on West Broadway. The decision also ending a lease agreement that could now see the iconic Bomac sign come down. It's been there since 1958. And on the Business Beat radar for the week ahead, latest quarterly earnings from airline and travel company Transat on Thursday, which is also the day that Safeway and Sobeys parent Empire will report its numbers. We're expecting Stats Canada building permit figures on Thursday as well, ahead of StatsCan wholesale trade and new vehicle sales data on Friday. And that will do it for your Monday, the 10th. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat.